Let me tell you a tale about the darkness and I, living side by side in this world that once was its own but is now mine. It all started in the watery abyss of my mother's womb. I was pushed through the valley of the shadow of birth canal. My war cry reverberated through the walls of the room. Out of earth's death, light came through, and from that day, the darkness was doomed. Hurry, it said, as it scuttled into my room, wrapped its thick arms around me, fear's cocoon. Trapped in its embrace, the walls it built felt safe. At age 4 and alone in my room. A kerosene lantern, burning like gloom, a raging storm outside. I was too afraid to walk out of the room. I couldn't use the loo. The darkness, it loved me. Shh, it said. Stay and stare at this light. Though not so bright, it will suffice. There is nothing out there but doom. And I stayed. 15, 18, 22, and I was still trapped in that cocoon. The darkness had me chained in that bedroom at 4, pee trickling down my feet, wide awake, too tired to sleep. At 22, I grew more used to the flickers of light outside, but I was stone cold within. I wondered, why? Why was I so cold with all the light I ate, searching for a spark to ignite my weak, yet stone cold, nothing bright enough, no one alive enough, no fires wild enough, no spirits hot enough. I, a raging storm, burning from the outside, desperate for warmth. You see, I died, a charred mess of want and ash, and there was darkness. There was darkness. But I must leave you to find me. And then I got up. I looked up, took 2 steps out the door and then more. I walked into that dark passage, and like a baby, again I was born, and this time the light shone through. Then my dad left. 23, I ran back. Hide me in your cocoon. But light of truth, it cannot be unlit. He came through. No longer loyal to the dark, I switched platoon. But the darkness, it was desperate. It wanted me so bad, on its team, but he can't trust me. I am his worst nightmare, his unfortunate curse. It can't stand me, but it needs me. I am the itch in its groin, the pus in its crushed up skull that wouldn't go away. Its wounds fester because I live forever, an aching memory, a reminder of all it has lost, all it will never have. I am its tormentor, the deceiver's biggest deception, its desire and utter confusion. I am judgment, the dark of the darkness. I am free.
Now, the Christ the Poet team is a group of talented young writers who have dedicated their gifts to preach the gospel of Christ. I need you to do 2 things for me. First off, subscribe to this channel. Now, with every subscription we receive, it is such an encouragement to us to do this bigger, to do this better, and to do it brighter. And if you're looking to have a conversation with us, why not follow us on social media? On any of the platforms, the handle is @ChristThePoet. It's showing on the screen right now, and also we'll put the links in the description.